Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. I am student. I am Slamet Trira Harjo. I am from 11th grade of Electronic Engineering 2. Today I would like to tell you about my experience. My test and repair of electrical system assessment. 1 month ago, as a student majoring in electronics, I studied electrical engineering for Talk B. Mr. Nur Faiz. In Mr. Nur Faiz lesson, I studied many electrical components that were familiar to me, namely sensor component and Arduino component. When I first listened about Arduino and sensor, I am a little confused because it's the first thing and I'm new this component. Mr. Nur Faiz told me to look for the cell phone and read in a book about how it works. Functions. How to use Arduino component and sensor on the point cell phone. There are 9 type of sensor of the look for, namely ultrasonic sensor, ultra-red sensor, vibration sensor, touch sensor, rain sensor, smoke sensor, limit switch sensor, mix sensor, and LDR sensor. What must be studied are ultrasonic, LDR, vibration, touch, water sensor. Before starting the circuit, I simulated it first on a website called Walkwi and searched for coding in the browser to be able to run simulation and practice. After simulation at Walkwi, I immediately practiced the easy things for such as an ultrasonic sensor, which only requires cable, and ultrasonic sensor, Arduino, and coding. Then after I practice and turned all the 5 sensor, and then forget to make a video segment, namely recording how the sensor work. After that, I gave the series to Mr. Nur Faiz to give a grade. During the assessment directly in front of him, he arrived the sensor I made, namely and rain sensor, studly. Then I turned on, then I did the repair the rain sensor, starting from the checking the coding, checking the cable and component to see if they were connect. Arrived, I just remembered that I was using a rain sensor. You must put a liter water on the rain sensor brain, and Amnating took the liter little water from the bag and put the water on the sensor part. There the sensor worked off, turned off. After that, Mr. Faiz gave an assessment of my work and did forget to make a work report related to the lim 5 sensor and ordered to make a report, namely how it worked, the components needed to apply the sensor, and the function of the sensor. Learning sensor and Arduino is my best experience. Thank you for telling about my experience. If they are my word, they implied file I apologize. See you in the next story. Hope is a good day.